come down and.
Okay. You just got to bolt it up, right?
That's all I got to do. This is so much easier than what we were going to do.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's.
Yep, the bolts are right there, Bob. Just got to lift it a hair.
Okay.
Get those in and.
I usually keep an ice pick over there, and when I go to put that one up or down, I use that. I pull that one loose bolt out, drop, in the base, and. But yeah, wow.
Look at that. Maybe. Oh, you know what? It could be a half a turn off. Remember, like we were before?
Yep, the other one, yeah.
That's what's going on here.
So Steve's up there, and that beast is up there. He's just putting a bolt in. And he's very inventive on this one. We naturally got the A400 down, which is in perfect shape, just a little bent here and there. We didn't do that, though.
Got one in.
You got one bolt in now, then another. We're going to drop some guy wires around up in that area, and for me to work off of down the road. And I've got to bring over an antenna wire. I'm going to do that now.
So I'll go up and tie this cable for you.
I don't believe it. Thank you. Awesome.
Looks good?
Oh yeah, it looks good.
Do you want me to leave this clamp on here, Drew, in case?
That's going to be our guy wire clamp.
This one here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So I'm going to give you some guy wire
All right.
in a while. And that's what I was just going to start doing when I fill it up.
Oh, that's fine.
So I have it here. Not a big deal. So we're getting some bolts up. I'm going to move this back a little bit. Everybody, hang in there. And you can see what's going on now. Maybe I don't know. And there we go. And that's. And there goes Steve. He's going up. He's going to do some wire ties. And
Drew, do you want a little slack here?
Yep, just a little, buddy.
All right.
Thank you. That's right. That's right.
Make sure you tell those guys from UK that I ain't driving my tractor over there.
I don't know if the mic will pick up, but yeah, mine would be just a little bit too light for that, I think.
Those are some good ties.
Are they?
Yeah,
You're gonna be all right, yeah.
they're strong. Every couple feet, you good?
Oh yeah, sure, yeah, yeah.
Do you want your guy wires, Drew, to be up on the mounts for the antenna?
Well, not on the actual mount, but close. We could do that. It's up to you. With a muffler clamp, or even down lower down there is
I
fine.
think this is fine down here?
Yep,
Okay,
yep.
all right.
Yeah, I think that'll grab enough of it. So, and I don't need a lot to go, and I can do some of that part of the job later on. just as long as they're up in place. I want to cut a few hanks here, okay?
Yeah.
And then you just twist them in a couple times, you know the deal. And I'm not up that high, as you see. It's roof kind of equal to the roof line, maybe.
I don't know if I can.
No, it's. Boy, this is good stuff.
Well, I'm at. Okay, I'm at. I'm over 30 feet right here, Drew.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the base is 24.
Yeah. The top is 27. The whole antenna. Let me turn this off for a moment. Okay, guys, here we go.